Hi everyone, so I'm back to share another journal with you. This one is a flip-flop style journal and I used ARTYmaze's April freebie kit, so it's a design team project as well. I've done quite a few projects with that kit. It is absolutely a beautiful kit. I love it, and it's amazing what you can do with a small kit, because I think it's 7 pages, but of course I have incorporated some other things into it as well. Right, I haven't written any notes for this whatsoever, but I shall do a measurement here for you. So it's 8 by 4 1/4. There's 2 signatures with this flip-flop journal. I used, what did I use? I used envelopes as the like the base. But I've done it a little bit different this time. We've got this is like sari. It's not sari silk, it's like a sari like fabric that comes off completely. So I kept everything. So this is like the front piece, and where is it? And that's how I done it. So that is the cover basically is smaller than the signatures, just to give that nice look. Love it. Love how it came out. So done a video on this. That was up the other day. It was my kind of mixed media grungy envelope craft with me. We've got a tag here, double layered tag. All of this is from ARTYmaze. That is from the old design shop, and you can see I've done a lot of stitching in this as well, and we've got little bits and pieces in the envelopes. This is just some really fine paper. Oh, there's a dog barking outside. It's not my dog for a change. Mine are all asleep. So that's that goes in there. Got a little bit of, if you go and watch the video, you can see how I've done that. So I've attached that to obviously that cover, and we've got the, whoops, I just tore that in. We've got this tag here. So yeah, it's a little bit delicate there. The kit from ARTYmaze, we've got tags. I used the base tags from the kit, and then I just added bits and bobs on there. We've got pockets here from the kit, belly band there. We've got some ephemera, that is ARTYmaze as well, one of our French ephemera kits. We've got some lovely paper. This is old paper. We've got a little, I'm just going to check that I'm in frame actually. A habit of doing that. Sorry, my chair is really squeaky. I need to put some, like, spray some oil on it, some WD-40. 4 washi, little label there. We've got more tags here. You can see that went round there. Made some little clusters there, and they're actually open a little bit, so if you wanted to tuck something in there, you can. Another big tag there. So like I said, this is actually a freebie kit. This, loved how that came out. Have I got any of that left? I did. What have I done with it? I don't know. It's somewhere. So this was white, and I sprayed it with coffee, and then I, like, my little bottle here is all clogged up, so I just put a paintbrush in there and just splattered it all over that and dried it, so I've got that nice effect on there. Might do a video and then on this, and do the same process and then do some stamping on it, so that then you've got like a unique ruffle, because you can use various different stamps. Tag there, big tag, butterfly there, some ledger paper, and then this really thin paper again. I'm gonna try and print on that. I'd love to look into how to do that, because it's really thin. These are the little beads. There is a video going up over the weekend on little paper beads that I made from scrap pieces from the kit. So we've got them there, and then we've just got these papers again on the other side. I've got a Tim Holtz flower stem here, a little bit of full washi there, and a label. This is ARTYmaze, one of our kits. one of our friendship ephemera kits, and I've got that 4 washi wrapping around, then the word explore there, another little tag. So I'll have this in my shop, and I'm going to do it for today only. I'm going to do it free shipping. Little, again, you could tuck something in there. Another tag. These are actually them images there, or those images. That image is a freebie from ARTYmaze. Little bit of 4 washi there, and that's from ARTYmaze as well. A little number label. And then these, when I was cutting out the Tim Holtz thing, I kept the, you know, like the negative, is that what you call it, the negative, and then I put some paper behind it. I done some gesso, coffee spraying, and this again, and then I done some stamping over there, and then I stitched it, and I put some square paper on the back so you can do some journaling. That's a little flip. This is, I kept some of that papers like this, so that if you wanted to add another flip page in, you can do. And that's that. So that's another one of these envelopes. I think this one does come off, and then that opens up like so. And then we've got some more French ephemera there from ARTYmaze. Is that French ephemera? Yeah, I believe it is. And then the envelope that I done, and that goes on there. And then there's another video coming out, because I'm just doing video. I think, well, I didn't say it in a video that you've already heard, but I'm just going to do like videos when I can each day, and then just build them up and put them on scheduled, so that I can build up a whole collection of videos to go out. Not necessarily on the day, because there's nothing worse than me putting out 10 videos in one day. So, you know, if I do a video, I'll just stagger them over a week or 2 weeks or whatever. Anyway, this is just a little matchbook notebook. I think that's how you say it. And I've got various different papers in there. So there's a video of this coming up at some point, possibly over the weekend. I can't remember. You could put a photo on there. And that's the first signature. So we'll flip it over, and then we've got another one of these flips, another tag. And we've got 2 little positive quote journal cards in there. And like I said, I've got a video to that. That's on my playlist. Another ARTYmaze tag there. And then here, I've got another one of those. So I made 2 of those little matchbook notebook things. Great way to use up your scraps. And then here we've got another envelope. I just put that on. And that's like so. Another flip here. So if you wanted to add something, you can. And we'll just pop that there. Oops, went under there. And another belly band. Some more French ephemera from ARTYmaze. And then we have that paper again. That's TaylorMadeJournals. Another tag here, and again that's opened. Is it? Yes, it's open. So if you want to tuck something in behind that little cluster, you can. Another big tag here. Square paper again, that ruffle, and another big tag here. Actually, I think I worked out there's 80 pages. Yeah, there's 80 pages in this. So it's like 40 pages front and back, each signature, 80 pages altogether. Some more of them little paper beads that I made. And that's just fell out of there. They were cute to make, and a great way to use scraps. Another Tim Holtz flower stem here, and another piece of French ephemera that wraps around. It says discover here. Another positive quote tag. All the tags have been stitched. Another little tuck there, like you can tuck things in. So I will put a link to ARTYmaze's KoFi Shop below, and you can go over and check that little freebie kit out. And if you're feeling generous, you could always leave like buy her a coffee on her KoFi Shop. Every month she brings out a freebie kit. She's got loads of kits on there as well that are really cheap and affordable, like budget kits she's calling them. That's another one of these negative like things. And then I will put a link to my KoFi Shop with a listing to this. And that is that. I've just put on there some full washi and the word adventure. Do love that grungy look. And if Andrea is watching this, then I reckon you should go and make a big kit, a bigger kit with this, because I love it. So there we go. That is the kit. As you can see, it's nice and chunky. Actually, like holding it without squeezing it like really in like that. It's got about a 2.5 inch like width, is that the right word? Yes. So there we go. I really enjoyed making this. I love that kit. And if you're interested in purchasing this with the free shipping, the link will be below. And yeah, just check out the links. It'd be great if you gave me a thumbs up, left a comment. I really appreciate it. And I don't know what to do next. Like journal wise, I really don't know what to do. I've been doing a lot of small little things, like and little videos and stuff, and I quite enjoyed doing that. I don't know what theme to do next. I might do something else similar to this. I might do another flip-flop. Anyway, that's enough of me tonight. So yes, all the links will be below. Any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye for now.